We're here at the shop. I'm gonna show you guys what happened to the car. Nothing too crazy. Broken front bumper. Headlight tabs are all broken, so we just zip tied this however we could to get back home. I did drive the car to the track and back. Wow. What happened, Victor?
No. Some little dings.
Little banger.
Little banger. Little. This one's a little chingered up.
Sorry, Miguel.
Still holds.
Let's go see what happened to the car. There's the quarter panel damage. The rear bumper fell off after. This kind of fell off after the impact after he started driving. But rear bumper looks fine for the most part. The tail light was already broken. He also hit the wall right after. Shortly after, 240s crashed in the front. He's already got some parts ordered to replace all the headlight stuff. Fender's a little damaged. We're gonna see if we can fix this. Impact here went pretty far. He hit the wall. So we had some damage back here. So we don't know how this is gonna go. It's probably gonna get a tube front end. Same as mine. We'll see.